Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to talk about the Ronson Jet Lite butane lighter. This is a refillable metal butane lighter that you can buy at most convenience stores, Walmart, department stores, those kind of places, smoke shops, I'm sure. They're available on eBay and Amazon. I'm going to put this under the category of other useful mechanisms because I don't want to confuse anyone into thinking that I repair or work on butane lighters. I only use them. I've talked many times about my dislike for plastic, even old plastic, and there are probably a few pieces of this lighter that are not exactly made of the most high quality metal. But all in all, it functions fantastically. It seems to be well constructed. I've been using one now for about 5 years, and I've had absolutely no problem with it. See a couple others here. These two are recent. This one is one I've had for so long. I bought this one. I wrote an article about it on dependableflame.com about 4 years ago. You can go over there. You can read that. That's why I'm making this video finally, is to accompany that article. Any of the links that you click on over there, I may earn a commission if you purchase over on eBay or Amazon. I'm not sure what links I have up as far as the Ronson Jet Lite, but may put a couple others after we discuss it here in this video, as I think there are some options as to where you can buy these and what might be the best deal for you. Just right off the bat though, it is a piezoelectric ignition system, which is kind of a bummer. Well, I want to get it out of the way right now. That's really the only negative about this lighter. Even the fact that you can open it and it doesn't leak fuel. A lot of lighters, a lot of old butane lighters anyway, when the lid came open, that's when the valve started letting fuel out, and you're leaking it if you leave the lid open. I just pulled this lighter out of my bag. It hasn't been used for a number of months. These two have been used, pretty much brand new. So it looks like maybe I'll get to show you how to refuel one as well, and we'll see if that holds up to refueling and is as easy and works as well after doing so as these newer ones have. You can see there is a very easy to understand knob here that goes left to turn the gas up, down to turn the gas, or right to turn the gas down. These from the factory seem to be about, have about a half turn in them. And from the factory they seem to be around about a quarter of a turn, which is about half of its capability. I believe I've refueled both of these now. Out of the package, they all seem to work well. I have fueled them for the longest time with the Ronson multi-fill with the plastic tip. Seems to work okay, and that's what I put in this one. That may have been all that this one's ever had it or been refilled with. As I said, I haven't used it in a while. Just to show you though, we will go ahead and purge all the gas out of this. To refuel it, the instructions are to turn it all the way down. So we got it all the way down there. Purge your gas. And then the instructions, I don't usually use the Ronson anymore. I've been using this Vector. And the instructions on the Vector, I believe, say to let it go for 15 to 20 seconds. This stuff seems to be way powerful. The Zippo insert, the Zippo butane insert, wasn't able to handle it. The instructions for the Lite say to fuel it for 6 seconds to get it seated well and properly, and to hold it for 6 seconds. So that's what we're going to do. That's what I've been doing as I refueled these new ones. So just push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll kind of have to pull that off of there. And then it says to let that set for 2 minutes. So we will not fuel that for a few more minutes. I am, however, going to go ahead and turn it up from the low point to about 1/4. This one's about the same as the newer ones. Has about a half a turn in adjustment available to you. So we will check that out in a minute. Now I purchased 6 of these. Had different designs on them, or different colors. One of them had a design, most of them were just different colors. For about 18 bucks on eBay, just in one group. Oh, maybe about a month or so ago. As I was saying a while ago, they don't have the convenience of being able to switch out the flint. But the piezoelectric is an incredibly reliable and durable method of ignition. I don't like it because I don't know how to fix it. I've never messed with it, and it seems like it'd be a pain in the butt. It looks like very tiny parts and just doesn't really interest me. But as long as it works, then I'm great with it. And that is my experience with the Ronson Lite. I've got 3 of them right here in front of you that I have used extensively. 2 of them here over the last couple weeks, 1 over the last 5 years. I've fueled them with different kinds of fuel. This one has gone off a 3rd floor balcony in Deep Deuce of Oklahoma City. So I've put them through just about everything you can put them through, and they have never failed me. There are times that a regular petrol lighter and that soft flame isn't enough. There are times that you need that flame to be manipulated in ways that it needs to go another direction rather than just up. It's hard to do with a lighter like this. But when you need that, whatever you can do with that soft flame, you can do with this flame in the upright position. But then this flame will also go straight down for you, or sideways, or however you need it to go. It looks like now they're going on Amazon for about $15 to $20 a piece, where when I wrote that article, I think I'd bought the one at Walmart for $4.97 or something like that. Anyway, I don't know exactly the price, but there are links over on the dependableflame.com website. You can see that this one has been put through the ringer, has lost a lot of its finish. Still, though, intact. And maybe with a little bit of adjustment, turn it down just a little. Working just as like it did 5 years ago when I bought it. The one thing I will say about these lighters, which these, like I said, I paid $18 for, including shipping, for 6 of them, or this one I paid $5 for. They have all performed way better than the $20 Zippo single butane torch insert. Have had no problem refilling them, and no problem using them. For the money, no question. Leave that Zippo alone. Just keep that with your butane insert or whatever kind of insert you got, or I'm sorry, your regular petrol insert. Throw that butane insert away and get you one of these. It's going to work every time. Until next time.